G'day everyone and welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, today I'm going to do some requests. I'm going to do a surf and turf pie. I had a few subscribers ask me to do some different pies, so I'm going to do it now. So over here in Western Australia, you go out to any pub, there's always, you can guarantee you find a surf and turf. So a grilled steak topped with creamy garlic prawns. So I'm converting that into a pie. Should be nice and tasty, and we'll go by the step-by-step guide of how to make a surf and turf pie. Cheers everyone. G'day everyone, welcome back to Mudabung Aussie. Now wasn't that a nice looking pie? Like I say, you know, the old surf and turf, very popular. They do sell it in a few pie shops out in the countryside, and you know, like I say, it is popular, but not too many get to see it. So got my own pastry, my own short crust and rough puff. I understand if you don't have time, you know, you buy it yourself, but I prefer to make it. I've used for the steak I've used rump. So I put that in the bottom of the base, and on top I put the creamy garlic prawns, and then topped it with the rough puff pastry. But absolutely smells delicious here, and I'm looking forward to having a taste of this one. As you can see, I've cut it in half, and the filling isn't coming out, so it won't drop all down your shirt or whatever. But here we go, let's have a taste. Oh, that tastes absolutely delicious. And the garlic prawns, oh, that really tops it off. So looking forward to finishing the rest of this. But you can see, you know, I've showed you underneath, so it's perfectly golden brown all over. Absolutely delicious pie. So give it a go. If you want any sort of particular pies done, please contact me. One subscriber's already mentioned a brisket pie, so I'm looking to see what I can do with that. Probably another couple of weeks I'll have that on the channel. So if you like it, please hit the like button, the subscribe button. Please leave a comment below, and we'll see you for the next video. Cheers everyone.